Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I put together the box using the dies from GLOBELAND. And so it's really very simple, very easy. The set of dies that you get include the ones that I'm about to show you and all of these right here. I decided not to go with these, just personal preference, but it is included in the set if you want to do your own, flowers and tags. It comes with leaves and this right here. So, okay, let me go ahead and put this down. Now, for the box itself, the construction of the box, you're going to be using this die. You're going to die cut one piece of this, and as you can see, I'm using watercolor paper because it's actually pretty sturdy and it's not going to fall apart on you, and the recipient will be able to use this box over and over again. So you're going to die cut one piece of that. The long piece that looks like this, you're going to go ahead and die cut two pieces over here, watercolor paper. And this is, I'm going to use this in the back. This is just packaging, you know, you want sturdy paper. And as you can see with sturdy packaging paper and everything, it die cut just like butter. Okay, so we want two pieces of this. And this is going to be for the short sides, these sides right here. Again, watercolor paper, and you're going to die cut two pieces using the short one. And this piece right here, this is for the bottom. That's the bottom piece. So obviously you're going to die cut just one piece. Okay, so let me go ahead and get these out of the way. Now, before we put it together, I went ahead and took measurements of the top, you know, the decorative paper that you want to go ahead and do, if you want to do decorative paper, you know. But anyways, for the top, you're going to need to trim a piece of 3 3/8 by 2 1/4. For the long sides, that's this piece right here, you're going to want to trim two pieces at 3 3/8 and 1 5/8. For the short sides, that's this part right here, these two, you're going to want to trim two pieces at 1 5/8 and 2 1/4. Okay, so those are the measurements for that. And if you wish, I guess you could do the bottom. I normally don't do anything to the bottom. No one's really going to look at it anyways. So why waste paper, right? But yeah, and if you are wondering, this paper collection that I'm using is for my very own paper collection. It is called My Vibes. It's actually a kit. It is a composition notebook paper kit in which it has been designed to perfectly fit the size of a standard composition notebook. And I have shown it in a video. And I guess I'll go ahead and link you to this video in the description area of my YouTube video. But I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video and add some music so that you can see how all of this puts together. Let me just, I guess, go ahead and put this right here to the side in case you need those measurements. Alrighty.
We've gone the distance, I've waited for so long. Sweet like candy, I miss the taste of your tongue. Oh, I'm melting when you're gone. Sweet was the day when you finally came. I could hold you in my arms, and then you sang to me to be. I'm not saying that you one day, but in the end, boy, you found me. I'm not saying it was perfect, I'm just saying it was meant to be. I'm not saying that you one day, but in the end, boy, you found me. You found me. You found me. We were lovers, and we are till the very end. 'Cause boy, you kept my heart. We were lovers, and we are till the very end. 'Cause boy, you kept my heart. We were lovers, and we are till the very end. 'Cause boy, you kept my heart.
We could be going out every night under the lights and trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces. But I'm tired of staying up late. I can't overstate the beauty of settling down with the one you love. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand, 'cause I've never been more comfortable than in your arms, vulnerable or nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand while we be doing nothing. Thought I'd scare you off by being a homebody, hanging with nobody, but the joke's on me. 'Cause you love solitude more than me. Now I gaze in your eyes every night underneath kitchen lights. It's all the mundane things we do together that give me wings. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand, 'cause I've never been more comfortable than in your arms, vulnerable or nothing. We could just sit here in the silence saying nothing. You could just hold my hand while we be doing nothing. Na 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 na. Say something that I just stay. We could just stay